Hey, Junior.
Yeah.
Somebody has very keen eyes
Yeah, why is that?
because as I was making my video that I do not get paid for, they have noticed a yellow certain thing sitting here on the floor. And he said, "Is that a yellow gas tank?" I don't know. Oh, wait. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Should I?
Why not?
What was that?
Why not?
Why not? Why should I?
Why the heck not?
Why should I?
Do it.
I'm not that nice of a guy.
Now you're just a Grinch.
Only at Christmas time.
You're a Grinch that stole Christmas.
Okay, then I will. Ready? Oh!
Yuki?
Oh! Oh!
Yuki?
Oh! Hold on. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Yuki?
Mm-hmm. A vintage 1980.
82.
80. Oh, 02. If you want to find out what I'm going to do with these, then subscribe, hit the Liberty Bell button so you will be notified.
And stay tuned.
And stay tuned. I have to go now because at 1, I am cold, I am tired, and I'm hungry.